So I'm using a Ridgemonkey. Chopped some cheese, so I've got some blue Stilton. Nice. Love that when it's melted. Bit of brie. I might do, what's this? This is just normal cheddar. Put this into there, and then cook it in a second. So let's see what happens in a minute. Right, so I've got the cheddar, I've got the brie, I've got the blue Stilton. I've very, very lightly, when I say lightly, really lightly, toasted the toast, and then buttered it. Then stick that on there. Stick that on there. And all you do is, after a few seconds, or a few seconds I suppose, you just turn it over like that, and you just keep doing that. And what happens is it browns the toast, and it melts the cheese inside. And then you can look. See, it's starting to melt. Let's have a look at the other side. So it's starting to melt. We'll just leave that for a bit and do its thing. Now, when I was in Holland in the summer, I used this Ridgemonkey every single morning. A cheese and bacon sandwich, and oh my god, it just set me up for the whole day. It was brilliant. Turn it over. Let's have a look, see how that's getting on. It's starting to brown a bit. For Christmas I had the bigger Ridgemonkey. Which you can do like, you can separate your food. You can do like bacon and beans and mushrooms or black pudding or whatever in separate compartments. It's a much bigger thing. This is very, very small. As you could see, this is just literally the size of a piece of bread. Look at that, it's starting to go. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So another minute or so on. Oh, look at that. Have a look, see what it looks like on the other side. That side just a few seconds more, and then I'll cut it and show you what it looks like. Right. Cuttity cut. Oh, look at that. That's going to taste absolutely blooming wonderful.